Welcome back to Car Compass. Today, we are diving deep into the 2025 Audi Q5, a luxury SUV that combines style, advanced technology, and top-tier performance. Audi has taken the Q5 to the next level with impressive upgrades in design, features, and powertrain options, making it one of the most exciting premium SUVs of the year. Starting with the specs and features, the 2025 Audi Q5 comes with a refreshed exterior design, showcasing Audi's signature single-frame grille, sharper LED headlights, and a more aerodynamic body. The new model maintains its sleek yet aggressive stance, appealing to both luxury and performance enthusiasts. Inside, the cabin is packed with high-end materials, including premium leather upholstery, a digital cockpit, and a cutting-edge MMI touch display infotainment system. Audi has also introduced a customizable ambient lighting system, allowing drivers to set the perfect mood for their journeys. One of the standout features is the Bang & Olufsen premium sound system, which delivers an immersive audio experience with crystal-clear sound quality. Safety has been significantly improved with Audi's advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system that enhances visibility and parking precision. Other notable features include a power-adjustable steering wheel, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and remote engine start, adding an extra layer of convenience for daily use. When it comes to performance, the 2025 Audi Q5 offers multiple engine options, ensuring there is something for everyone. The base model features a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, delivering a balance of power and fuel efficiency. For those seeking more performance, Audi offers a plug-in hybrid variant that combines an electric motor with a combustion engine, providing extra horsepower while improving fuel economy. The legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system remains standard, ensuring superior traction and stability in various driving conditions. Audi has fine-tuned the suspension for a smoother and more dynamic driving experience, making it a great choice for both city commutes and long highway drives. The steering is precise, and with the available adaptive air suspension, the ride comfort is significantly enhanced. The acceleration is quick, with a 0 to 60 miles per hour time that competes well within its segment, offering both power and refinement in a well-balanced package. In terms of market availability, the 2025 Audi Q5 is set to arrive at dealerships worldwide later this year. Audi has confirmed that it will be available in various trims, allowing buyers to choose the perfect configuration based on their needs and budget. Pricing details vary depending on the trim level and optional features, but Audi aims to keep the Q5 competitive in the luxury SUV market. If you're looking to get behind the wheel of the new Q5, now is the perfect time to visit your local Audi dealership and explore pre-order options. Overall, the 2025 Audi Q5 continues to uphold Audi's reputation for delivering premium vehicles that blend luxury, technology, and performance. Whether you prioritize a comfortable and tech-filled interior, strong safety features, or a dynamic driving experience, the Q5 remains a top contender in its class. The combination of a refined design, innovative features, and powerful yet efficient engines makes it an excellent choice for those looking for a high-end SUV. That wraps up our review of the 2025 Audi Q5. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel for more in-depth car reviews, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching Car Compass, and we'll see you in the next video.